Yes, I got him! Yes! Yes! Go, come on! Yes! Yes! No! No! Darn! Are you sick and tired of losing at fighting games because of your cruddy execution on the pad? Yeah. It's time for you to upgrade, my friend. Whoa! This is a custom arcade stick. Whoa, no way, dude! It's made out of real wood, poplar. It's got rounded edges for a smooth feel all around. The top is made out of Lexan, 250 times stronger than glass. It's got a birch inner panel for superior strength. Recess start, select, and home button so you don't hit them on accident. It's got a handy dandy cord notch. Whoa, what's it come with? Each case comes with 4 rubber feet, mounting screws for the JLF, and each case is stained to whatever color you want with mirror finish. Wow. Wow, this arcade stick is awesome. My moves are coming out way better. This is amazing. I'm gonna use arcade sticks forever now. So how you like it? It's awesome. Thanks, Houston. Go to yasticks.com now to order. That's yasticks.com. It's awesome.